This is a 2007 Acura TL. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.2-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, the Acura Link satellite communication system, leather seats, an electronic throttle, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 44,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Davis Acura is located in Langhorne, Pennsylvania, where we have serviced the community since 1986. As always, when you purchase a vehicle from Davis Acura, you will receive lifetime car washes, lifetime Pennsylvania state inspection, free oil change, and free loaners for life. These are just a few of the added benefits of the Davis Advantage Package. If you're looking for your next new or pre-owned vehicle, look no further. Davis Acura has the vehicle of your dreams. Visit us today at davisacura.com.